Hello, let's learn and draw some 2D shapes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Decagon,
Up above the world so high,
square,
like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little
heptagon,
star, how I wonder what you
triangle, parallelogram,
When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines,
star,
then you show your
decagon, square, heptagon, triangle, parallelogram, star. Let's learn some colors. Vivid pink color. It's a vivid pink color. Warm gray color. It's a warm gray color. Potato brown color. It's potato brown color. Persian blue color. It's Persian blue color. Azalea purple color. It's azalea purple color. Natural oak color. It's natural oak color. Vivid pink color, warm grey color, potato brown color, Persian blue color, azalea purple color, natural oak color. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.